Welcome to this short tutorial on how the keyboard shortcuts are your friend. In Firefox, Internet Explorer 9, you have the ability to use a lot of different keyboard shortcuts. One of them is in relation to the tabs. You'll notice I have several tabs across the top here in Firefox, and I can count across 1, 2, 3. And then when I want to jump to my calendar, for example, which is the second tab, I can hold down the Control key, type a 2, that jumps me to the second tab. I could do Control 1 to go back to the first tab, which is my email. If I were on a Mac, I could use the Command button to do this as well. Also, inside of Gmail, you have the ability to do keyboard commands. A simple one is C for compose, and then I can address the email, hit my tab key, give it a subject, hit tab again, that puts me down in the body, and I can type my message. And then when I'm done, if I hold the tab and hit enter, that sends my email. And just like that, I composed an email, never touched my mouse. You will notice, as I point here, this little black triangle. That is pointing at the current message, and I can use the J key to move down or the K key to move up. If I wanted to open a message, I would move the cursor down and then hit O on my keyboard, opens the message, and now I can hit R to reply. I could type my message, once again hit the tab enter to send it. Now I'll be honest, I haven't found a keyboard command to discard the message, so I do have to hit my mouse to do that. But now to get back to the inbox, I can type GI, which means go to inbox. These commands are very easy, and to learn what is available, you can type a question mark, and that will bring up on your screen all of the keyboard commands. And you'll notice right here a line that says keyboard shortcuts are enabled. If you've not enabled them, this is what it would look like. If I did the question mark, it would come up, it would show that keyboard shortcuts are disabled, and you would want to enable them so that you could use the keyboard shortcuts. Again, they work the same whether you're on Mac or Windows, or whether you're using Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Chrome. So this is just a quick tip on how to use keyboard commands to make working on the internet and working with Google faster. If you have any questions or comments, please contact training@apu.edu.